In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circular array in Blender using the spin tool. First, let's position the 3D cursor, which will be the center of our spin. If you're working with the default cube, you can easily place the 3D cursor at the world origin. Simply press Shift and S together and then select Cursor to World Origin from the menu. This ensures that your spin center is precisely where you want your circle to be. Once your 3D cursor is in place, it's time to enter Edit mode. Make sure your object is selected and then press the Tab key on your keyboard. This will switch you from object mode to edit mode, allowing you to modify the geometry of your object. Now, to work with our mesh, press the A key. This selects all vertices, edges, or faces, depending on your current selection mode, of the object you have chosen to work with. It's an efficient way to ensure your entire mesh is included in the action we are about to perform. Next, we're going to spin this selection around the 3D cursor. For this, press Alt and E together, and then choose Spin from the options presented. What this does is take your selected mesh and rotate it around the 3D cursor, creating copies in the process. This is the essence of forming a circular array. Finally, let's adjust the number of duplicates in your array. In the lower left corner of the viewport, you'll see a small panel that appears after you initiate the spin. This panel includes several parameters related to your spin action. Here, look for the steps value. By tweaking this number, you control how many duplicates are created in your circular array. The key is to find a balance that matches the visual effect you're aiming for in your design. The more steps you include, the more fine-tuned and fuller your circle will appear. So feel free to experiment here until you achieve the desired outcome for your project. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward method to create a circular array in Blender using the spin tool. Practice these steps and you'll be spinning and creating intricate designs in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know and we can dive into even more Blender tutorials together. Happy blending!